Once again, welcome everyone to the 2023 Equality Champ Awards ceremony.
Your work for the Equality Champ Award been very, very valuable. And this is the third time that we're doing it.
Kailangan pong may tumindig para po mapakinggan ang boses ng mga boses na hindi naririnig. Kaya sa atin pong lahat, maligayang Pasko. Masaya po ako na matatapos ang taon. Kayo ay naging kasama ko. Maraming salamat. Mabuhay po tayong lahat. Mabuhay ang LGBTQIA+.
Thank you so much for recognizing whatever I did. It really means so much to me.
So maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat, mga minamahal ulit namin na advocates, allies, partners, friends, and of course, TLF. You will always find a safe space, an ally, and of course, friends in the UP Center for Women's and Gender Studies. Marami pong salamat.
Sa ngalan po ng pamilya ni Dandy Nadres, tinatanggap ko po itong parangal na ito para sa kanila. At makakatiyak po kayo makakarating sa kanila ito.
So for Michael Tan, I'm very happy to receive this on his behalf. At maraming salamat sa inyo and good night.
At sa lahat ng mga equality champs na pinarangalan ngayon, I am very proud of you all. Your important work continues to be an inspiration for all of us.
The lives that they have offered, the actions, the efforts, the love that they've shown to the community, they are advocates and they have championed our rights. And tonight, we celebrate the noun. Mga kapatid, ang ating mga champions. Cheers!
Hopefully, this awards is both inspiring and challenging to get the equality work, DONE, done. Our collaborative endeavors, rallying support from both communities, allies, and duty bearers are vital in advocating for the passage of the SOGI Equality Law, paving the way for a more just and inclusive society for all. To conclude our awards night, we deserve tonight to celebrate, but tomorrow, more work to do. Kahit malayo na, pero malayo pa rin. Let us all shatter the glass ceiling sa pagkapantay-pantay. And happy equality night to all. Thank you.